Psalm 119 verse 9, how can a young person stay on the path of purity? By living according to your word. Matthew 5 verse 8, blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. 2 Timothy 2 verse 22, flee the evil desires of youth and pursue righteousness, faith, love and peace, along with those who call on the Lord out of a pure heart. Philippians 4 verse 8, finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. 1 Thessalonians 4 verse 3, it is God's will that you should be sanctified, that you should avoid sexual immorality. Proverbs 4 verse 23, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. 1 Corinthians 6 verse 18, flee from sexual immorality. All other sins a person commits are outside the body, but whoever sins sexually, sins against their own body. James 4 verse 8, come near to God and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. Titus 2 verses 11 to 12, for the grace of God has appeared that offers salvation to all people. It teaches us to say no to ungodliness and worldly passions, and to live self-controlled, upright and godly lives in this present age. 1 John 3 verse 3, all who have this hope in him purify themselves, just as he is pure. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.